Today we see new number which is called a complex number. First of all, we see why we need such type of number, because we have already natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational, irrational, and the real number. Then why we need such type of a number? So then the necessity of studying the system of a complex number arises due to equation of a quadratic form. First of all, we see quadratic equation. It is the general form of quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The key part is the discriminant. First of all, we will see about discriminant, how we find roots and solution of the equations. D equal to b square minus 4ac. If d is greater than 0, then we get two real solution, and if d equal to 0, then roots are real and equal, and if d is less than 0, then roots are not real. So problem is in third case, if d is less than 0. If solution not exist in real, then what about it? And there is no system in which solution exists. We further move and problem arises this type of equation. Consider x square plus 1 equal to 0, x square minus 1, and there has no solution in the set of real numbers. There is no solution. So there is no real number, positive, negative, integral, or fractional, rational, or irrational, which is when squared gives -1. And the solution of such equation introduce the concept of imaginary or a complex number. So we see there is no solution, then we got stuck there. But in 1707, there is a mathematician called Leonhard Euler was the first use symbol I, which is equal to in root -1, and having property I squared equal to -1, and he called the symbol I as imaginary and also called iota. With the introduction of this symbol, he was able to discover the unknown roots of this type of equation. Means if d is less than 0, we can further move for solution in complex in imaginary number, we can say. And for complex number, let x and y be a two real number, then the set of order pair we can say, like x and y, and pair are called the system of a complex number, and it is written as a z equal to x plus iy. So we can represent where x and y is real number. So it is the system of a complex number.